Hello my dear friends and welcome back to another brand new video of the Creative Mind. In this video we will see how to make a simple water level indicator at home. So without wasting our time, let's get started. For this project you will require 1K resistor, 2 LEDs, 2 yellow LED, 2 blue or green LED, 1 buzzer, ULN2003 IC and cable concealer. First of all, make holes in the cable concealer according to the place of buzzer and LEDs. And then stick them in their places with the help of the hot glue. Circuit diagram, check it on my blog, link is provided in the description box. Afterwards, connect all the positive terminals of the LED and the buzzer. Make all the pins of the IC straight with the pair of holes. Now attach regular wires to the IC from pin number 10 to 16. Wires with every wire of different sizes as shown in the video. And then attach them to the IC from pin number 1 in descending order of their sizes except the longest wire. Make sure that none of the wire get attached to the another wires. Now attach pin number 16 of IC to the blue LED, pin number 15 to second blue LED, pin number 14 to yellow LED. Like this, attach all the wires to the LED and buzzer as shown in the circuit. Now connect the longest wire which we left before to all positive terminals of LEDs and buzzer, and then attach positive wire to pin number 8 and negative wire to pin number 9. Also, don't forget to attach pin number 9 to all positive terminals of LEDs and buzzer, and then spread hot glue over all the connections so that they don't touch each other. Then spread hot glue over another piece of plastic concealer and then stick IC to it. And then close the lid of the plastic concealer. Our project is ready, let's test it. Attach a 9V battery to the circuit for the supply of electricity. As the result, when we pour water into the vessel, the LEDs start glowing according to the height of water in the vessel. When the water reaches near the mouth of the vessel, the red LED glows, and when it is about to overflow, the buzzer makes noise. So this is it for this video guys. If you like this video, then hit that like button, share with your friends and subscribe if you are new.